Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a vlog. Actually, we are going apartment hunting in Noida. So we're gonna be touring a lot of apartments and it's gonna be so fun. And today is 16th of October and it's my birthday tomorrow. So I'm so excited and I'm so happy, and I don't know if it's possible, but if the Starbucks there is open, I'm gonna try Starbucks for the very first time, and I'm like so excited for it. And right now we also have somebody in our car with us. So we have Sam with us. He's also going with us, and there's Chaudhary. There's my dad in the front. Let me just show you guys. Hi, Papa.
Hi.
And my mama is gonna come in a minute. So yeah, we're just waiting for her and then we're gonna leave. And there she is, guys. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
So yeah, we're just leaving now. Hey guys, so I have acquired my Starbucks order and now I'm gonna do a little taste test. So I got a Java chip frappuccino and it's like so good. And I also got one more drink, which is a caramel frappuccino. This is also so good. So yeah, I'm just so excited to drink this. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so this is the kitchen and this kitchen is really beautiful. This is my mom. So my camera died, so sorry for filming on my phone. And this kitchen is really magnificently beautiful. So beautiful, like look at that. It has all the Instagrammable spots. I love it so much. Guys, there's a swimming pool. Oh my god. The dining table. This is the living room. This place is so good. couple days later now since I filmed that video, and I forgot to mention that that house does not belong to me or my family by any means. That is not our house. We just went to tour it and I really liked it, so I thought of why not show you guys too. So yeah, we have not bought it, we have just gone to see it, that is all. And I've also realized that the video was lacking an outro, so I thought why not film it right now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you guys liked it, then do give it a very big thumbs up, and also comment down below which part of the house was your favorite, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you never miss any update from me or when I post a new video. I post new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, that's it. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye guys.